Okay, Michael here from Crypto One Method. In on the second trade of the day, just done XRP short, 100 to 129, doing 30 and 15 here. That was the Ripple trade here. Short at 2360, 2345, 2360, 2345. So we made a nice 30% there from bottom Bollinger Band. Sorry, the green, red alerts here, which are all picking out nice reversals of coins going down. We've just had a green, red for Atom come in a bit later. You do tend to, that's what's nice about the alerts, you tend to see the market following each other. And some coins take a little bit longer to follow the other. So 4.89, that order is filled. If you're new to futures, if you want to make money trading futures, we've got a link below with the course and resources, etc. So 4.86, this will be stock market 4.904. This is flicking about an awful lot, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. 4.86. It's already been down to there. I was going to cancel this order, but then it was flicking around. So let's put that in. So we're here. My protection's here. Profit's here. 6.77% in profit. You can see my order coming up there. I mean, it just looks, everything's kind of, it's hit a little bit of support, but it's generally going down. So we will see. It's either going to be a 30% profit or 15% loss. That's what we're running on. So half of the trades I'm going on. I'm going to double my money. That's 18 trades if I do 50%. Half of them I'll win 30, half of them lose 15. But 67%, it's 8 trades. 4.904. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on this and come back to short. Decided to come out of that what I went in at 4.89. Lost a few dollars, but that's fine. It was just looking a little bit precarious. It'll probably come down now perfectly for the sale, but I wanted to be safe on that. The thing with some of these coins on the futures, the decimal points just hardly have to move. So sometimes best to be safe. I'll leave that just as a null trade there and carry on. 10 past 11 at the minute. So let's have a look to see if we have any more alerts that came through. 11 o'clock, bottom Bollinger Bands for all these. Let's open up the link and Litecoin. We've got free spreadsheet tools, resources, community, course support, even free one-on-ones for people that have completed the course that have any questions. Link below if you need assistance. I want to get on and talk about this. Okay, yeah, quick update. I mean, things are crashing over the markets, but I'm just going to wait. We get some support coming here. I think things will probably keep going down, but I'm going to keep an eye on things and see if this candle finishes green and then see what happens on the next candle. Okay, Litecoin seemed to be going down again. It's been down to 28, so we're going in at 47.50. That's filled. Things looking weak here in the markets overall, so that's filled all together. We've got a profit of 47.21. And stock market protection 47.64. Already 6% in profit. That's good. You often in the big downs get these little bits of support coming up. So, and as I've said in quite a few of my videos, you know, you do have to just be getting in on these trades. I don't know why that keeps going reduce only. Yeah, so protection in. Let's see how this plays out. You've caught me watching a bit of chess footage while watching this trade. Yeah, so things are coming down. We've had a bit of support. We're 15% in profit. We need 47.21. Yeah, we should be good here. This was from a bottom Bollinger Band alert. Just here at 11 o'clock. It's now 11:30. And that's letting us know that this candle's breached, so we can have a look. These bands are nicely widening, so you would expect this coin just to keep going down, as a lot of the markets are at the moment. It's already been down to where the profit is, so it's not a million miles away with our 30% profit here, which is always nice. You know, if you put an order in and it's all the way down here, all the way up here visually, then you kind of, you know, you're going for a much bigger ask. And this is kind of, you know, quick scalping. Doubling the profit to the loss allows you to have a much lower success percentage, which we kind of like. So yeah, I'll see how this plays out. Okay, this has been bouncing around 11, 12, 15%. So what I might do here is just raise. I came in at 47.50 on a short. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change now my stop market protection to 40, just above what I got in. Just so now I'm either looking at a break even, so no loss. It's always good to protect your losses if this bounces back. Oh, that's just sold. Lovely. Okay, great. So yeah, huge shoot down there, and this is what I was just protecting on the other side. It could have easily had a huge shoot up, and you know, that could have been in 15% profit to a 15% loss. Well, you've just seen how quickly, super quick. So what I decided to do was just, as we were approaching halfway to my profit, I was kind of, you know, around 15% profit. It was about 11 when there. It was flicking around a lot. So when it's getting to that kind of point, I know I've got another 15% leeway back to where I bought in. So I raised my stop market order. And the good thing is you can just put in another stop market order right over the top of your existing one, and that one will take effect. So yeah, plan worked out a treat. We, what have we got? We've got 128.54. So great start to the day. We're looking to double our money. That's 8 trades and 67%, but really I'm 58%. So another 2 good trades and it will be job done for the day. Money doubled. And yeah, that was really nice. So it's 11:34. Markets seem to be a bit of a free fall. I'll come back when we've got some more alerts. Okay, I've just gone in on a short on Litecoin. Things look like they're going down. I put in my price of 47.32 here. This is the new feature of the calculator. Really like it. So it recommended me to go in at 47.39 if the price is 47.32 now, just because you always kind of can get in at a slightly better price. This divides your stop by 2, and then you put in what price it is currently now, and then this press long or short, and this will change, and then yeah, you kind of get the idea. It just encourages you to get in a better price. Sometimes you might miss some more trades getting in, but I'm okay with that because, you know, I only need 4 good trades and I've over doubled my money with this system. So I'd rather not get in on some of them. And yeah, this is going down, so we might have missed this now. 47.20. Then it is okay then. If things are coming down, oh, I need to press that short. 47.27, 47.24, 47.31. It's okay to reduce your tweak your positions a little bit, as long as you're doing it in a measured way, like I am now. Like it's going down. I don't want to kind of chase it and get in completely. But okay, margin, just do 99, 47.31. He's been really slow. This is not ideal. I'll close some tabs down. Come on. 47.31. So then what you do is then you come back here and you put in 37.1. Now I've got my profits, etc. I mean, this is just in a general downtrend. We've had a bit of support here, but things are going down. I'm going to hold fast here and not reduce again. We'll see if it fails. It's kind of come back and nearly hit. I'm going to come out of this. I have a delivery and a few things to do, and it's just everything's been a little bit slow. I'm going to wait for the markets to decide what they're doing. So let's cancel that. Wait for another good trade. Wow, this morning got busy. Yeah, ADA's looking nice. Just had a new alert come in for engulfing 30-minute pattern. 9095 roughly now, recommending me to go in at 9081. So let's get another good price. $9081. It's kind of bottomed out here. You can see we've got a nice spot, a lot of support. RSI is pumping up. Let's go in at 9081 and I'll come back to this shortly. Oh, that filled very quickly. 9081. So what I'll do here is just work out my profit and loss. So 9135. See, this is the difference. It's already been up to 9156, and because I got in at a better price, it's just going to be that much easier to hit this profit now. We're already in 3% profit, so 9135 limit just there. See, we've got a nice hammer candle coming down here. It's trying to push up. So 9053 for my protection. $0.9053. Okay, I'll leave this going and we'll come back to it shortly. A few minutes later, it's come down a bit. It's been flicking around 10%. Not looking as hopeful now, but I'm just going to leave it because this looks everything as much. It could go up or it could go down, which is the idea with this strategy. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. Yeah, it's holding quite nicely. Obviously, you've got fluctuations within there. You're never going to get percent, so you're going to see this come down and up quite a bit when you're in a trade. But you can see here, we're in the trade here. We've got our protection and we've got our profit. So yeah, I'm just going to let this ride out and come back to it. It's pumping up now. Looks we've come back to kind of break even or even in profit now. So yeah, I mean, it's not got far to go for profit. So, well, and here we go. So it's best just to let these ride out and not get scared and markets sell out. Okay, that trade got stopped out. Had a huge plummet here, but that's the idea. 100 went to 80.57. That's quite a bit more than 50%. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. The percentages sometimes with the lending fees. But yeah, that plummeted from, what did we get in? 9081. Yeah, a good 1.3% that plummeted, even more so there. So if you didn't have the protection and you know, that's like liquidation territory just with that move there, and it happened very quickly. So, you know, $100 to 80.57, that's okay. I mean, I'm going for 50% as the strategy, but ideally 67% is only 8 trades per day. That's what we're at, 67%. C1M number, which is the average, 13. Is exactly 13. So spreadsheet's on track, I'm on track, and that's all we need to do. Just make some more trades and double the money. 39% ROI with those 3 trades off the alerts, and you know, it's coming back now, and a lot of people are tempted to kind of stay in trades and not have stop markets, but it's just not a good strategy. It's not a winning formula. You have to be stopped out. You have to embrace those losses. So 2:30, let's have a look. Half 2. XLM with a Bollinger Band short 230. Let's have a little look here. We had a red, green, green long for Bitcoin, but as I've said in previous times, don't really trade Bitcoin too much on futures. I just prefer to hold it. So it can be a bit of a wild beast. So, in your own time, Binance. Interesting here. So this alert, we had a candle above, then we had a candle that breached, started above the middle Bollinger and came down. So what have we got to the bottom Bollinger Band? I think this could be worth a talk. 7638. Other coins are kind of going down, so we're going to short this. I'm going to put in the price that it's at now. It's going to recommend 7649. It's already coming up a bit more. 7644. 7644, 7655. Let's go for 7652. Kind of use this and get a feel for what's happening. So 7652, let's short that. So our order's just in there. We're looking at this and saying, you know, the coin in general is going down. It's had a bit of a move upwards. So 7652. Put the actual price back in here. We'd need 7606, which is just about there. So this could be a bigger double bottom before it kind of goes off the other way. So nearly coming in here. $7647. That's filling. Partially filled, because we've still got the order here. Oh no, we've filled completely. Okay, so 7652 is the entry. Profit is going to be 7606. 7606. And the stock market 7675, which is at now, which is that's moved really quickly. I'm just going to hold off on this to put my stock market in just for a second and market sell if it's looking a bit dodgy. Binance is saying I have a partial fill, which doesn't make sense here. I just don't think it's caught up. But we're in profit, and I've got some visitors to the house. Market's been a bit quiet. I'm in profit, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to. Oh, it's coming down, 16%, 7606. Actually, I'll leave this just for a second. Should be sold in a sec. Things are plummeting down. You can probably hear my guests in the background. I'm going to market sell this now. Let's see what profit we have. 111.89. Okay, so that was from a MBB short alert on XLM. 100 went to 111.89. Yeah, as I said, I've got some guests. That puts us in 51% ROI. Profit's profit, nearly 12%. It probably would have come in. Nearly did, but I'm going to leave it for now, make sure that's cancelled. Binance has been a bit slow, so I'm going to refresh my computer and come back. Okay, that trade would have easily come in. I've just dealt with guests. That would have been really nice. 130, 75% success. 17% return. But anyway, it's still profit, and that's fine. I think, this was a really nice alert. Things are going down in general. We've had some minor fluctuations here, but the alert was triggered after this candle and then this candle. So getting in here at a good price was just a spot on textbook move. And, we made some money. We could have made some more money, but I've cashed out that, $12 into the profit bank, and it's all sitting there. So you can't argue with 12%. But I just wanted to raise this and just say, it's always just good to just stick with your trade and not get panicky. The only thing we do now, and Richard and I have experimented an awful lot with when you're in a 30% profit, say, and it goes up to 20%, raising your profit to 10%, it can get stopped out a bit too much there, and you won't capitalize on the big profit gains. But the only thing that we do, which you saw earlier, which is nice, is if it's getting to around 15% profit, I'll just put it in at break even. So I'm even looking at a break even, maybe a couple of dollars lost with fees, or the profit. And then you just let it ride out from there. You don't get a bit too clever. I think we were getting a bit too clever with some of our experimentation, but it was all in the eyes of, well, experimentation. So, yeah, it's nice to be in a position 15% up, and then you're either looking at a break even or a profit. And then, if some of those go the other way, you kind of cash out where you came in, happy days, because you just move on to the next trade. Okay, I just went on another trade on XLM. I couldn't film it because I was on the phone, but yeah, we bought at 7654 here, and we needed 7699, which it hit, but I came out just because I was on the phone, oh no, it was there, 7633. Yeah, it was 7633. And yeah, we made 10.5%, which is fine by me. And yeah, again, should have held it and it would have come in. I was just distracted at the time, but it's added a little bit more. 80% success, 61% return now. Happy with that. And yeah, what time is it? 17 minutes past 3. So 3:15. Yeah, had all these longs, red, green, greens, red, green, greens. I mean, I went in on this because this came down and it hit this bottom Bollinger Band, and these Bollinger Bands were starting to go horizontal. So I was like, this is just probably going to be a quick bounce up. Made a call, and yeah, it was correct. Should have been 30%, but hey ho. EOS. So we've had a nice load of red, green, greens. Failed to load. Thank you. That was at 2.7799. These red, green, greens are great if they're quite pronounced and they're not kind of around the top of the bands or the bottom of the bands. It's a 4-candle pattern, all closed in sequence. So red, green, green. You see this green is a bit too long. I wouldn't be surprised if this keeps going up now. So we have had quite a bit of a down, and this is crossed over. So I'm going to keep an eye on this and see what happens, as well as the other coins. Okay, looks like these bands are nice and horizontal. We've had a bounce up and a bounce down. So 2.764. Considering shorting this EOS. So it's 2.74. 2.7. No, what am I saying? 2.768. Let's go in on a short there. 2.768 short. Orders in just there, and we'll change this now to 2.768. So we'd need 2.751, which is only there. It's not too much to ask for, is it? It's kind of nice, this, you see the order book gets a bit busier as you go up. So this order book here, this is why it's always good to get in a bit low, because there's so many fluctuations between these, the 5 numbers here and the 5 numbers here, that is 7.5% higher than what it was. So there's always the good chance that it will just come and catch that in the longer short, because as there's fluctuations, you can't always get the exact bottom, so you might as well just always edge it up a little bit just so you're getting in a good price. If we miss it, we miss it. If we don't, we don't. A few minutes later, the patience has paid off. That's filling. Oh, that's now filled, so that's good. So we need 2.751. $762. Yeah, I don't like this as much because I've seen this before. This could quite easily just keep going on. We've not had a full reversal here. So what I am going to do, I'm going to cancel that. I'm just going to go for a 10% here. Oh, no ordering. So 10% is 2.762. 62. I'm just not as keen on this as some trades that I see, so I'd rather just take a quick 10% here. I can't even remember this is from a, oh yeah, it was from a green red alert on EOS 100. So yeah, we'll come back to this shortly. This order's just started to fill, and that's filled. Okay, so that's 108.84. Yeah, nearly 9% profit. This may still go down. It probably will. The trades where I've only made less of a percent today have all done that. But I just have seen this before, kind of. It could keep going with the RSI up here, and it's hit the Bollinger Bands. Normally you get a bit of sell-off, and this has reversed and gone up, so this could quite easily keep going up. But I just wanted to best to be safe and come out here. Aim is to double the money. We're nearly there. 70% return, 83% success. C1M number 12, 13, just about there. Average is a little bit out because some of these we've made a bit less, but it doesn't really matter because, you know, we've made $70 from $100 in not too many trades on quite a busy day with lots of interruptions. So yeah, always happy to take profits. Sometimes reduce it just if I'm not sure. 10%'s absolutely fine. And yeah, let's look for the next trade. Okay, 345's happened, and yeah, some alerts popping through now. Upper Bollinger Band on XLM. As I said, this it's come down a little bit, but I wouldn't be surprised if this reverses and keeps going up, which is happy to just take a small amount there. So XLM, yeah, we've hit the top bands. Bands are widening. I would put my money on this continuing to go up, and EOS and a lot of the coins shooting up. You'll get kind of the bulls liquidating all of the people now putting in the shorts a lot of the time. So they're widening quite nicely. So it's already been up there. 0.61. We need 0.6. Some wicks coming down here. And yeah, definitely look at that. Look at that. 7820. We're going to long it. So recommended 7808. It said 7808. Let's go for 7801. A bit less still. 7801. Okay, that's in. We could be wrong, we could be right, but if we're right, it's a nice profit. If we're wrong, we're only going to lose 15%, which is fine by me. We're 70% up, and this trade could just about take us to that 100% return on investment, which is what we're looking for. You know, trading is trading. You cannot win every single trade, but we only, if this is 7801, we only need 7847, which it has already. Jesus. Yeah, it's already just about been to that. So let's see, shall we? Any more alerts that came through? Litecoin, upper Bollinger Band. Got Litecoin open. Been running some. Oh my God! Come on, Binance. Yeah, let's see. These, you see, these bands are widening quite nicely. So it's still hit and miss. Sometimes you have to make a call, get in on those trades, and the more that you trade, as long as you're getting above 50%, 30%, you know, 50% or lower on the losses, then it's a money making machine. Bouncing around now a little bit. Okay, that one's filled a few minutes later. Positions, so we were in at 7801, we'll need 7847. Might just go for a 20% here. 7832. Come on. So that's just there, and 7777 for the stock market. 7777. Okay, that's, why is that reduced? Only that keeps happening. Binance, you morons. There we go. Okay. Right, let's put that in. We're a couple of percent down now. That's absolutely normal. We'll be selling that short. Come on. Did that come in? Come on. What? So short margin isn't sufficient. Okay, I'll have a look at this and come back. Oh my God, I was just recording and I wasn't recording. I was talking to a screen that wasn't recording. Anyway, I just want to fill you in. I've basically just come $98. I bought for 701, I sold at 701. It wouldn't let me put my stock market in for some reason. And, now it's going up. Look at this. Yes. Bloody hell. Yeah, this will just shoot now, won't it? Yeah. It wouldn't let me put my stock market in, so I came out. I don't know what is happening with Binance, but it's been agonizingly slow now. But I reckon this will just go on. I only needed 7832 for my 30%. That would have been done. Thank you, Binance, costing me money. Okay, I'm actually going to round this video up now for a few reasons. It's been a bit of a busy day. I need a break. I need to cook dinner. Plus, the screen recording software is impacting Binance, so I'm going to still trade today, and I'll update how I did on the next video. But I aim to double the money. We did 70%. That's fantastic. You know, using $500, that would be like $350-ish dollars. Which we'll be using tomorrow. I think I'll do a video tomorrow using $200 or $150, and then gradually build it up over the week and keep publishing these videos. But hope you've got a lot from that. That's more test alerts coming through. Excuse that noise. Just a shame Binance is playing up a little bit. The screen recording software not acting well with it. But yeah, that's a live trading session. We have done very well and happy with that. Hope you've learned a lot from the alerts. We only charge $47 a month for the alerts. Everything else is kind of included, or you can trial it. And yeah, any questions, let us know in the comments or get in touch. Click the link below if you want to start this. We're happy to help, and we're even giving one-on-ones to people who have gone through the course for no charge, just to really make sure you're happy and you've got everything sorted. So I'll see you on the next trading session. Thank you.